Jamaican, this is the great award. When we walk around, we meet the elders them, we give them phone number, and we give them an award for the great Jamaicans.
Yes.
So you're receiving the award from Montego Bay for being a great Jamaican.
Giving thanks.
You're bigger than the Prime Minister?
Giving thanks.
And the Queen of England?
Yeah, my first thing done 60. The 22nd of this year month.
Give me the name again.
The first youth will be.
Give me the name again.
The first youth will be 64.
When you give us your number, they're gonna tap up your phone. You have Digicel or where you have?
My phone is Digicel. I want to see it here. Because I'm not so much qualified. I never used to buy, but it is concerned. Doing a little business, so I just buy a little one and read. No,
can you give out your number? Say your number.
My phone number, that will be 438 1868.
You sure you're 87? So how come your mind not gone?
Eh?
Tell me what you drink and eat. How come your mind not gone? How you so strong?
Well, I mean, planting pride, me vegetable. I'm strictly a vegetarian.
You know you know meat?
No, again, from 1962.
You leave the cow and choose the pap chow?
Cow and goat, me raise pan cow, goat and fowl and all them things, and from 1962, we start eat them or something. We have crayfish on them or something. They were by personality, and from 1962.
Why did you stop?
Because, full take and twice you have to come with a flight. The thing saying Rastafari, hog, cow, goat, crayfish, lobster, conch, and all them something, and nobody with them.
You're 87?
Yeah, man, I done 87 as from the 15th of February and this year, the 15th of February.
You sure you're not talking for somebody else? You sure?
King one.
You lose the cow and choose the pap chow from 1961?
62.
Selassie, Jah live. Is an epitome of the Almighty walking. You live. You fit teach us. What's the wisdom?
One man come here and say, oh, Mr. Rasta, I'm just say Selassie. I say, no, can't tell me what he say. I know that God is the creator of heaven and earth and all things man Christians. So I have to say, God Almighty.
That's what you say?
God Almighty, not Selassie.
Okay.
Selassie is crowned with kings of kings. Selassie is a king of a country. God is creation.
Yeah, but Selassie, Selassie defend Africa, the only place we never get killed, you see. So we have to pick up the general.
So far.
You see, on earthly realms, I am defend.
Yes.
I am protect Zion.
Yes.
Africa is Zion.
Yes.
And I am protect it.
Well, you see, for now, I never get to go to that place. I never go nowhere.
Because you know, some of them we say for them other warrior name.
Yeah.
So we them say Selassie if you defend full warrior.
Certainly.
So you have to look different realms.
I see him in person, you know.
You see him in person?
I see last year in person, 1964. They not come here, man. They have up on the telephone line.
Yes, sir.
From Montego Bay to Magati. And when he come off of the train of Magati, see last year, him do so. And the interpreter said, I said, what that signifying? The interpreter said, I'm sorry for him people them. And here's it and he drive out and you go to police them escort him and go down lock over there and go to lock over. I see him serving. So Mr. Selassie in person. Little bit of precepts and he was a fear, man. Fear, no black, not my color. Fear than I.
He's a general though.
Yeah.
General of generals.
So if you call kings of kings, the lords of lords, the conquering land of the tribe of Judah, the elect of God and light of this world.
Yes, sir.
But Selassie is not my God of creation.
Okay.
I don't know if I'm wrong.
No. If you feel it so, it is so. Because your experience bring you to 87.
Yeah, man. My mother birthed 9 of us. And
so why you tell say my God is a goat? What if me tell say my God is a goat? You go wrong me? What if it's a goat is my God?
Goat?
Yeah. Me think goat make everything. What if me say that? You go wrong me?
Me can't go wrong, no.
So me say, meh.
Meh. And them say from me to me a 1 year. That's what the goat say.
I joke, my brother. My brother, you're right. The Almighty. Now, you hear me say no. Younger generation, I'm going to show you something before you reach 110.
Yeah.
I'll give you 110.
Yeah.
The new generation will give thanks to the All. Not Almighty.
All.
All. Even the cardboard you saw. The All is in here.
And them say Lord.
Eh?
And them say, they won't say Lord.
No, no. Lord is an earthly word. In the infinite, there's no Lord. In a Mars, in a Jupiter and black hole, there's no Lord. But the All is everywhere at all times, all infinitely. Everywhere. So when you say your prayer, you say give thanks to the All. A man make the word mighty. Because in the infinite, there's no mighty. That's our English language. But you say mathematics, all. Music, all. Wood, all. Pumpkin, all. Mosquito, all. Emotion, all. Feelings, all. Stone, all. River, all. You getting it now? Yeah. So the true name for the all. So now we say Almighty. Because you say it don't have no real name. Some say Allah. That's why you see them say Allah. But the only name is when you call and say give thanks to the All. Don't to your hands here say give thanks for you too. You see now? So when the wave pass and end up on the boat and the storm come, the wave say but wait. Him never give thanks to the All. The wave say we're not going to turn over the boat. So everything is one and communicating in the All. So when man do know, man start write words because they start develop their brain.
Alright.
And then write too much word now, them insane.
Yeah, people tell me say the Bible, say the Bible. Say, I know the Bible says so, I and I say so, and people say so.
Okay.
Bible. And we have to emphasize what in the Bible, what in the book.
Yes.
So I know the book say is man say.
Hey. Man experience.
Man experience.
But you know, before man did write it down, you know, say a nature, made your nature did tell man. You know, man create them God when they look on the sun. And the sun reflect on the waters and they say God walk on water. Aye!
Aye.
So everything we learn as man when we come out of the cave, guess where we get it from? Nature. That's when in Africa there's a language called Medu-nature. So the ancient language. So now, you're ready for the final equation? Now the All is doing two things. You know what the All is doing? Two things. So the Almighty in the planting is doing two things. The All, you is the All, part of the All. Use not the All, use part of the All.
Part of the All.
I am part of the All.
Part of the All.
And the All is doing two things. You are changing and you're balancing. The All, you see how you change? And when you breathe, what your lungs do? Change. And it's have to push against the body, where it do? Balance.
Balance.
When the engine of the car move, and it turn, and it push the car move, that's the balance.
Yes.
Because the engine has changed with the fuel and the combustion.
But I tell man said those things make up half of mankind and they say foolishness.
Yes.
I don't see where it is foolishness.
Facts. But no.
The horse. The horse.
Yeah.
Power, horse power. Them there's something come off of them, there's something.
Yes.
Man say, yeah, let's just stop in eyes, man. No, half I've never yet been.
But no, here one now. The younger generation now, we've been studying the mountain for a while. 50 years we've been studying. Can read Babylon things and find out, say them not talk about the mosquito. Them not talk about the stone. Them not talk about man feelings. No worry about the money, man. That's a gift for you. Where you count out for?
You want more, you have to get.
You want me to give you more?
450.
This is a gift for you. I have to finish the teaching before I leave. You might not see me again. Listen to me, friend.
I would love to see the auntie. I would love to see the auntie, man. Can't tell of the knowledge and the extent of the knowledge.
Alright, I will see you again then, friend. We will continue this conversation circle. Remember, there's no beginning and there's no end. There's only a circle.
Circle.
The all is a circle.
The circle.
There's no beginning and end.
Yeah.
No, you're part of the circle. A little part of the circle.
Yes.
So if you part of the circle, there's no higher. Your nose, your brain no higher than your nose.
Ah, die.
So then if it's one body, the all is not higher than us. We're part of the all. So them a fool we make we all look for something higher than we. We're part of it.
And don't work about achievement to get out in a Babylon, man.
So me, you know, as a youngster, comfy, make sure, say, when you reach 110 in the spirit and you go to the other side, tell them, say, we're going to fix it down here, so.
Certainly.
So I love to talk to the elders, them, and I've spoken to them.
You require anything other thing?
You give me gifts.
Huh?
You give me what you want to give me, my friend. See the people? The Almighty. So you can't say Almighty. You cut it short.
Almighty.
There's no beginning and end. So now, you were not created, you know. You were formed. Because the sun, the moon, and the star, and the dust in this realm, why you look like that. In another realm, you look like something else.
Alright.
But you're in another realm, why you're in this realm too.
Yes.
You're in all realms.
In all
infinitely. Because you're part of the all.
Because certainly, you know, when
I
am my personal name is Winston.
Yes, sir.
And the wind blow all over the four poles of the world.
Infinite wind.
So I am
infinite wind.
God.
So me not just give you, me not give you world no more. You're infinite wind.
I give thanks for the correction.
Oh yes, sir.
For the correction.
Me this? Or me this? Okay. Winston, you're now an infinite wind. You're always blowing.
Certainly.
And we're always. You see what I try to put you now? You see what I put you?
Certainly.
Okay, my brother. You see what I put you?
Give thanks for proper conversation.
Yes, the nation need a wake up, you know. I've been hiding for 50 years.
Bless. I thought that speak that every day, every minute, every hour. I need a wake up.
They need a wake up. Win, infinite win your name now.
Personal.
I know Winston, you're infinite wind. IW, you're infinite wind. Keep blowing. Peace and love.